Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from the Tech It Simple YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download or install the Coinbase app on your mobile phone. Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. So, let's get started. Make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Now, open your App Store or Play Store and in the search bar, type in Coinbase. As the search results appear, you'll see Coinbase as the first option. Click on the app, and over here, click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon your internet speed. As you can see, the app has been downloaded. Click on the Open button to open it. Here, the application is ready to use. You can either sign up or sign in to use the features of this application. So, that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Feel free to drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.